evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th annual EuropaPropety SEE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world. And we'll move on to our Agency of the Year, which is always highly contested. And Agata, if you will read off the short list for us.
Address, CBRE, Crosspoint Real Estate, Cushman & Wakefield, Griffs and SVN Romania. These are the nominees in this category.
And Agency of the Year this year is sponsored by River Development. And from River Development, Ion Radulia.
Oh, Ion, very good to see you. Say something to us in Romanian if you don't mind.
Parte la unul dintre cele mai importante evenimente ale industriei, unde sunt recunoscuți profesioniștii de top. River Development își propune schimbarea arealului central vestic al Bucureștiului prin două proiecte mixed-use, Sema Park și The Light. Sema Park este o dezvoltare imobiliară cu peste 1 milion de metri pătrați. The Light, a doua dezvoltare imobiliară cu peste 148.000 de metri pătrați. Suntem convinși că împreună cu voi, cei nominalizați la această categorie, putem ajunge mai aproape de obiectivul de a oferi clienților finali soluția imobiliară potrivită.
Yeah, thank you very much for that. Great presentation. I know where I'm going to go next time I'm in Romania. Hopefully we'll be soon. And we're going for, the winner is, for Agency of the Year, CBRE.
Okay. Bravo, CBRE. And to collect this award from CBRE, Heis Klomp.
Yes, Heis, welcome back.
Good evening once again, and thank you very much on behalf of everybody at CBRE. Worked very hard in the past 12 months to obtain this trust from our clients, from the jury members. We are very grateful to get your support in these challenging times. And yeah, we look forward to serving you as good as we can going forward. Thanks once again and enjoy the evening.
Yeah, congratulations, and we hope to see you in Romania next year or before next year.